Hello, friends! Today, I'm going to make an amazing watermelon ice cream. And here are our watermelons.
Please, wait! How much do watermelons cost? Your watermelons cost $2. Okay. Here you are. Thank you.
Now we can go home. Hooray! I'll cut the watermelon into small pieces. Ta-da! Now, I'll put them in a bowl. But not all of them. Most of them. And I'll mash it all up to make watermelon juice. Ready? We can pour the juice through a sieve to remove the pulp. Of course I'll eat it. Great. I'll find a new bowl, put gelatin and sugar in there. I love it a lot. And now I'll pour in some warm water. And stir it with a spoon so that it dissolves. Hooray! We can light a fire and cook on the stove. I'll boil my sweet water first. When bubbles appear, you can remove the saucepan. I'll pour it into 3 bowls. Why? You'll find out now. In the first, I'll pour watermelon juice. In the second, coconut milk. And in the third, I'll put some green dye. At the end, I'll add usual milk to all the bowls and mix it well. And here are my favorite ice cream molds. Now I'll pour the watermelon juice here and put them in the freezer for half an hour. Have you already understood my idea? It's the turn of coconut milk. And again, I put the molds for half an hour. And then the green layer as well. Perfect! Wow, it looks incredible! They're almost like real ones! Ta-da! Great watermelon ice cream is on my table. It looks unrealistically beautiful. Do you like it? Finally, we can try it! It's so delicious and sweet! Wow! Just wow! Hello, friends! Today, I'm going to make a mini Oreo cake. Do you like these ones? I just love it! I have already collected all the ingredients. We can start creating our masterpiece. Join us soon! It's good that I have a multicolored fudge. I'll roll it out and make these wonderful sticks. Now, we need to break an egg. But at the same time, we have to separate the yolk from the whites. I have a special gadget for this. Look, the yolk remained on top, and the whites flowed down. It's very convenient. I pour sugar to the whites, add a little salt, and beat them with a spoon to make a foam. Hooray! I put some milk to the yolk, just like that. And some oil. A splash of vanilla syrup, and we can mix it. Wow! Flour is next. I'll pour it in small portions through a sieve and then add cacao. I'll mix everything again so that the dough turns out without lumps. And here's the first bowl with foam. It's time to add it here. Great! I really like to cook. It's so cool! Our delicious dough is ready. Finally, we can pour it into a mold and put it to bake. Half an hour is quite enough. The main thing is not to miss the time. Look, the dough has doubled in size. And we have got such a huge cupcake, which will become a future cake. Cutting off the top and the bottom. I'll try to do it as smoothly as possible so that it turns out beautifully. Now, I will smear the top layer with cream. And my favorite knife will help me in this. Oh, great! I'll cover this layer with a pancake that I rolled out of fudge, pressing the sides and making a cookie. I'll decorate it with a circle on top and make some stripes. Oh, how cool! This is so nice. Now, I will make the bottom layer and put all the layers on it. I'll decorate them with colorful fudge. Ta-da! My amazing cake is ready! Do you see how easy and simple it is to make a masterpiece? Don't be afraid to repeat it at home. I'm sure that you'll definitely succeed. It looks so appetizing. Can't wait to try it. There should always be order in my small kitchen. And now we can cook. I'll take an egg out of the refrigerator, and while it reaches room temperature, I'll sift a little flour. The main here is to be careful, otherwise you'll make the same mess as me. I'll break an egg into a bowl and start mixing it with flour. Now I'm going to add a little milk, some oil, sugar, and a drop of honey. It is necessary to mix everything thoroughly. Well done! I got 3 whole bowls of dough. I'll make it colorful. And here's my baking dish. I'll pour the dough into it. That's it. Each color one after the other. Now I'll try to create a pattern out of them. It turned out very nice, didn't it? Now, while the dough is baking in the oven, I can take up the future decoration. I have 3 colors of mastic. To begin with, I'm gonna roll it out. And now, I'll cut off a small strip. And turn the rest into such a bow. And here's the ribbon for it. Beautiful! Look at this perfect bow! And finishing touches. I'll roll out the yellow mastic into a sausage. And make a pigtail like this. I'm going to make some ears out of the white one. And putting everything together. I'll add some edible gold paint. The horn should also be tinted. Just look at that! What a beauty! And now, the cake itself is already baked. I'll take it out of the oven, and we can start decorating. I'll cut out the axis and divide the cake into 3 identical parts. Just like that. Now, I will put the cream on the stand and install the first cake on it. I'll put the cream, and you can put the second one. There we go. And the third cake. Now you need to carefully cover the sides with cream too, to make this cake even more beautiful. I'll also apply a good layer on top. It remains only to line it and make the cake smooth with a knife. I have a cream of different color. From it, we'll make these flowers at the base of the cake. Now more flowers but of different color. I'll continue until the whole cake is covered. Installing another smaller cake on top. Putting on a horn of mastic into it, these cute little ears on the sides, and of course, our pink bow in the center. And I made these eyes out of golden cream. Perfect! Our color cake is ready. Just look at it. It turned out absolutely gorgeous. I think it fits perfect into my kitchen.